And in this quick tutorial I will show you how to get to Island of Quel'Danas in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King for both factions, Alliance and the Horde. First we need to get to Shatrak City, and to get here you have two ways. One, walking for antisocial people, and two, which is much easier, but you'll have to ask a mage for a portal. All you have to do is go to major cities like Stormwind or Ogrimmar, where it's most likely to find a mage, and ask him nicely for a Shatrak City portal. Some mages will ask for gold, but others will make you a portal for free. If you choose to get here by walking, for Alliance you'll find a portal to the Blasted Lands in Stormwind at the Mage Tower. Click on it and make your way into the portal. It can be difficult sometimes as the Horde is guarding the portal, while sometimes the Alliance will do so, but eventually you'll make it in. Once inside Outland you will have to walk your way from Hellfire Peninsula to Terokar Forest and eventually in Shatrak City. For the Horde you'll find the Blasted Lands portal at the Valley of Spirits in Ogrimmar City. From here on nothing new, same path. Now once you arrived in Shatrak City, locate the portal to Island of Quel'Danas. I will show you on the map where I am right now so you can pause the video. Once you find it, click on it and there you go. That's how to get to Island of Quel'Danas in WoW WoTLK.